Hello friends. It is 7:18 at nighttime. I don't know if you can see the gas prices there. Let's see. It is 363. Anyway, so it's kind of drizzling this evening, and we thank God for the rain. You know, there are areas right now there's no rain completely, and so when there's rain here, we thank God. Yes. Oh, it's flooded here. Boom, boom. Sorry for the wipers. She's talking up. Oh, there's a truck on my left side that is playing music, and I'm trying to speed up a little bit so I don't get the copyrights from the music. Anyway, guys, it's been a good Tuesday. We're ending it in style, and I thank God because run, I have to say that because that's the truck there that has the music. Let's go to the other side. Okay, sorry for the rain that's making this video not so clear, but hey, who doesn't want to enjoy the raindrops? Raindrops. I'm driving east on Mela Local Lane. This is 6th Avenue, and this one takes you straight to I-95 that you can go south or straight east to the Atlantic Ocean, which is like 4-5 minutes from here. So, well, I just wanted to say good night, good day to everybody. Thank you for coming back again to watch my videos. Those are the apartments on that. Is that affordable housing? It looks like it, but they're apartments, Congress apartments. Come on, vehicle. Okay. Somebody there with an umbrella. It's raining. Yes. Enjoy the raindrops. I'm not gonna even wipe it with the wipers. Let me do one more time so maybe you can see. Select Specialty Hospital. That's on my right. There's a specialty hospital there. And then I'm gonna make a left. Yep. So that one goes to I-95. We'll make a left. And we have right of way. There's nobody closing. Okay. We're almost to our destination, friends. So have a good night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow with another banga. Shagala bakala. I have a friend who uses that for another jabba. Shagala bakala. Which I am Marwan. Then you know what I'm talking about. Come on, wipers. Let's enjoy the raindrops on the screen. Raindrops, raindrops. John Prince Park. So this is a hospital neighborhood. John F. Kennedy Medical Center. Yep, this was mine. I don't want to see it. And we'll make a left here. Grand entry to the hospital. Who wants to walk here? Let's see. Let's walk here. And this is it. That is the hospital. I don't know what the bed capacity is this hospital. Almost 700. I think 700. It's a big hospital. So the emergency room is way ahead. And this is the main lobby. They are remodeling it, so that is the main lobby. And Miss Emma is gonna stop here and end the video while I wait for my hobby. Yes, I came to look for my husband, friends. That is what I do best. That's what I love to do. What do you have? Any questions for me? Let me show you. Let me zoom a little bit so you can see this. That is the emergency room over there. Let's see. See the emergency room over there? Come on, wipers. Yeah, that is the emergency room over there. Yeah. Oh, this rain. I'll make another good video for you when it's not raining. And that's the ballet parking. Yeah, that's the ballet parking. So anyway, I'll make you a better video when it's not raining. Look at the raindrops. Don't you love them? You know, when it's dry, that's when you think about the rain. So how do they let it drop? Okay, let me wait so you see. Here, the parking is to the garage, and this is a shuttle to get you to the parking garage. So it goes back and forth to the parking garage. It's a ballet park. So you park in the garage, you get into the shuttle, which is like, it's a walking distance, but hey, incentive for me not to walk. Yes, I'll check this ballet park of America. Yeah, so that is it, my friends. Let me wait for my best friend here, a friend next to Jesus, or after Jesus. Yes, a friend after Jesus, close friend. And then we will go home and we'll have a good day. Yep, it's 7:25 p.m. The sun goes down around 8:20. I'm not sure. Yeah, the sun is still up, but the fact that it's raining and cloudy and very, 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 very minimal wind. Okay, my friends, let me know. Comment, subscribe, like my videos. Please support me by subscribing. Let your friends know. Just hit that red button. Take me to 200 subscribers. Please, my friends, one step at a time. Let's go. Oh, the rain is getting more now, so I'm gonna stop here. I want to wish you a very good night for those on this end, and good morning for those on the other side, and I will see you tomorrow. Watch this page because I'll get you more and more good videos coming, rolling through. Alright, friends, see you or talk to you tomorrow. God bless you, God keep you, God protect. One last wipe. See, my wipers are not that great. I'll fix them tomorrow, I promise. Oh, it's raining. Alright, family. God bless you, okay? Have a good night.